Welcome to another episode of Glam, Bam, Thank You, Ma'am. Will you give it to me quick and dirty and then you leave? All right, today we have someone very special who I've known for a while. She does the beautiful Kerry Washington's makeup. She also grooms Michael B. Jordan, amongst many other people. She's gorgeous herself, used to be a model, but don't tell anyone that I told you. Carola Gonzalez is here! Celebrity makeup artist!
I'm always learning something new every day. Listen, what about the people that cannot afford injectables like Botox or fillers, and they want to look young? What advice do you give to those people that don't have the means to get injectables? The best thing you can do is wear sunscreen and use retinol, and to use a brand of retinol and to start with a low percentage. And she said that SkinCeuticals, the great thing about that brand is that it has a percentage. So you can start low and then increase it. But she said that retinol and sunscreen are your best friends for prevention of getting old.
I love it.
But I do have one more thing that if I can share it.
Yes. This is a 2-for-1, people.
2-for-1. I was like, why do I have so much cellulite? I've been working out in quarantine every freaking day. So I learned today that you need to do weights to tone. And then you do like the bar or like the sculpting, like the floor Pilates to sculpt, but that's not going to get rid of your cellulite. You need to have the weight.
Oh.
So if you're doing bridges, make sure that you put like a 15-pound weight, on your hip bone, and then you go up. You can't do it without the weight.
So you have to tone and you have to sculpt.
And as you get older, obviously we become more flabby.
They call these bingo wings.
Really?
Yeah, because the old people play bingo and they're like...
I didn't even know that. See, now I learned that. You have to do weights in order to get rid of the cellulite or to get tone.
That's kind of amazing because I didn't know that. That is a 2 for Tuesday.
And I can give you one more and that's it.
Okay, give me another one. Shit, 3 for... This is a 3-fer. Buy 2, get 1 free, y'all.
I got sent this Restorative Lip Cream by
Avene. Okay, yep. Oh, yeah.
So this is like a lip cream.
Okay.
The texture, it feels like a cream. And at first I was like, ooh, because I'm so used to like the lip balm and feeling that, wetness and just like, the lip balm. Once you get used to this, I swear to God, I haven't had chapped lips at all. And that I've never been able to say that in LA. I haven't. It's like putting moisturizer on your lips. It really works. I'm obsessed with it.
I'm getting it. I can't believe that. That is so amazing. You just killed it. You came in and you really went glam, bam, thank you, ma'am. You gave me 3. No one's done that yet. I love you so much. I think we'll have to do this again because you're a fountain of information and I love it.
Well, thank you for calling me. It was so good to see your face.
It's so good to see your face. I love you so much. Thanks for doing this. We'll talk outside of this.
All right.
Okay. Bye, boo.
Bye.